Dog, go him say bad. And he's a girl killing.
You're not like anyone else. You find the way you are. Did you do this all yourself? A smile ignites the room. Singing us up to the time, you know it's Cartel. Representing for Blessed D, Gaza Diva. I'm out. When will they learn? Them can't win. Gaza run the thing.
So people, how them say them bad? And it's a girl song kill them. Them do all of them bad man song. Them do all them run out for them big artilleries. And I want girl song kill them. She don't want you back, motherfucker. Dog them your supper. Dog me and them boy they suffer, you know. Man, what them are gonna do to get him out? Hey peeps, it's your girl Blessed D, Gaza Diva, back at it again. And let's just cut to the chase. 6 fall off. Really people? Which one are the 6 them? I was the 6 Batman them over there so fall off. I could have never the 6. So this article was in the Jamaica Star. So let's take a quick look at it and read through it. And pretty much the article was placed in the Star by Heavy D. Heavy D shouldn't even waste him time and do something like this. And me shouldn't even waste my time and bring it to you. But you know why we have to bring it to you? Because you know, say the haters, them out there, them are going to jump up and say, yeah. So make a Gaza associate bring it come. And make we discuss it down there because that's what we do, don't it? Yeah, man, let's get to it. People over there ranting, people over there chatting, so we need to talk about it. So pretty much the article is saying the 6 is still real. Heavy D says artists are still trending despite perceived fall off. At the beginning of 2019, members of dancehall group The 6 were heralded as the new big things in dancehall. The Montego Bay-based entourage, which includes the likes of Chronic Law, Daddy One, and Squash, made such a huge impact on the local music scene that they dominated airwaves and caused much of the chatter on the local scene. The buzz around them was so heavy that the group was scheduled to close out Dancehall Night at Reggae Sumfest 2019. That did not materialize, but the group continued its reign on the local entertainment scene, closing out the year among the hottest dancehall acts. However, with far less physical activity coming out of the musical camp so far this year, some believe the 6's glory days may be behind them. But artist manager Heavy D is adamant that with the group having dominated much of the dancehall scene since 2018, it is the next to impossible for the 6 to fall off track. Me no know why people are saying them nah hear from the 6, because the man them still a drop a whole portion of song. Although nothing nah really go on in the music right now. Between Daddy One, Chronic Law, and Squash alone, the 6 still a lead. The 3 of them dropped 3 videos one time, and the 3 of them trending. So the 6 is still real. And a joke thing the artist them depan, he said. Heavy D said the artists can't fall off no time because they are some of the most trending acts in the business right now. If you look on the trending charts on YouTube right now, the man them have more songs in the top 20 than any other artist in Jamaica. Squash have 2 number 1 songs, Chronic Law have theme hits them, and Daddy Wanna do him thing. And them man there on YouTube right now, so nothing no drop. Not no stop, the 6 is still real, he said. When the Star ran its own check of the local trending charts on YouTube, members of the 6 held most of half of the top 20 slots. Squash holding the number 1 spot with Moonwalk, his collaboration with Vybz Kartel. Chronic Law and Daddy One's collaboration Style Shot held the number 4 spot. Heavy D says their dominance on YouTube is testament to the havoc the group will again wreak on the music industry once the entertainment stage free up. And them money are the future for music, you know. The man them have so much bad song. 2021 now go normal. The man them a record every day. I do video every day and everything them put out hit, said Heavy D. The man them a come out a quarantine stronger than ever. A whole heap of thing a go on when the place open up again. Now there you have it, people. This is the article from the manager Heavy D, who looks after the 6 entertainment bookings, etc. He is their official manager on paper. So after reading this article, I can simply say this to you, quick and fast. Quarantine started effectively on or around March. I remember I was traveling at that time and everything went into lockdown. And if they finished 2019 as a top tier artist, so how the six them for fall off? But let me tell you something. You have a group of people that going around and saying the six fall off because apparently they're trying to make themselves feel good or relevant. Two artists fall off in a Jamaica. Fishkaline and Alkaline. Them two artists they fall off. Fishkaline, Alkaline fall off from 2016 and a few them fans in the line a chat up the most. So a few of the little idiots down there and a chat and I say, yeah, from them squash, Fishkaline, them flop. And the person said to them, say, would be my answer. How can a flop artist flop a artist? I couldn't say it better myself. How can a flop artist flop a artist? Them can't flop by Fishkaline. Fishkaline flop from 2016. Then a next one said, okay, make we say Fishkaline gonna come release him 3 boring songs them where everybody get used to. Cause him flop. And again, that person is so darn right. Fishkaline disappear and things say him have some presence. Him little idiot gigi fan them run up the song them, pan trending, and they're like, whoo, he's hot. Fishkaline hasn't had a hit since 2000 and well, Fishkaline has never had a hit for me. So I don't even know. Boy, Gaza Nation, I don't listen to the Nika, so that Nika never have a hit for me. But from 2016, me don't hear nobody talk about the fish. Me don't hear nobody talk about Dryland Shark. Me don't hear nobody talk about Girland. Me don't hear nobody talk about the Batty Washer. Me don't hear nobody talk about whatever. So if anybody fall off of them, it come like say, I want Fishkaline lover write the article here. Cause it no make no sense. It not add up. The 6 is real. And anything with Gaza associated with can't flop. Never flop. 6 is real. So tell me your thoughts below down in the comment section. Tell me your thoughts about the article. Tell me your thoughts. Do you think like Chronic Law, when can Chronic Law fall off? Like literally, Chronic Law has been dominating since the end of 2019 into this year, and this year is almost closing out and he's still doing stellar. Daddy One songs, him closed out last year, big bad banging, and him still relevant this year. Squash have some of the cleanest videos in the game. When you look on Squash's videos, you have to wonder if the man just always in a foreign mindset. In videos, them just always clean, them always on a different level. So how the 6 fall off? The 6 can't fall off. Just like everybody else, quarantine come, boom, lock down the place. The 6 them used to be very vigilant in the street, very known in the street, very active in the street, and they used to be doing a lot of stage shows. So because of that, just like for everybody else, quarantine have everybody under lockdown, so to speak. So the man them just recede for a while and take a break. Outside of that, they've done no differently to any other artist. But as the star said, them do them own checks. And that is what them should have done and don't even bother put out the article here. But then again, as me say, every day, me not even know when bother even waste him time do that interview here for. Because them come to me with an argument here, me run them away from right here so. But tell me your thoughts below. Down below in the comment section. Do you think that the 6 has fallen off? Do you think that the 6 are still relevant? Do you think the 6s are some of the hottest artists in dancehall still? Do you think that the Clash were Squash kill Fishkaline or Squash detonated Fishkaline? Because I know, I don't know about you, but I still a wait for here where the green card there and when the boy man are gonna get exposed, because at the end of the day, them have no woman, them can't breed nothing, and I know say them have a man, and we have proof from Squash said the Nika married. I don't know how Fishkaline did flop Squash career. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button. Leave your thoughts below and let's have a discussion as usual. Congratulations, Gaza Nation. I can tell you congratulations are in order for hitting 1 million views on Moonwalk. Big up to Squash, big up to Vybz Kartel. Gaza Nation, I must tell you, this is a mammoth task we had to handle with Yami Bolo being out, Party Nice being out, Sika Rhyme songs being out, Lisa Mercedes songs being out, and Siva song being out, and with all of that, and in so doing, we still managed to clock another 1 million views in 7 days. If we're great, we're just great, we're great. And I want to say a special shout out and a special thank you to Gaza Angel. When me tell you say, you know, you're militant, and when me tell you say you turn like me, you know, when you take a look on Gaza Angel 6 book. You hear what I say? When you take a look upon her book. When she say loyal, she mean loyal. When she say she dep on YouTuber stream, she means that she dep on YouTuber stream. And when she say she a watch out the king business and she a make sure say the king affairs dead, you know. I'm gonna tell you now again, you know, F trending. We don't really care about that. Me more care about the money and me more care about the views. Me all about the coin. Okay? So hear what me have to say right now. Wanna big up on yourself, wanna go and stream the song right after this. I want you to go back to Party Nights. It's at 820 something. Wanna need to shut up the views and bring it to 1 million, and then we do it all over again and show them our world and how we control it, and no matter what them do, them can't get it. At the end of the day, Kartel will forever reign. Proud sheep standing right here. Like I said in my article last night, them could have fight Vybz Kartel all them want. You just need to know an army of sheep led by a lion can defeat an army of lions led by a sheep. Again, an army of sheep, Gaza Nation, led by a lion, Vybz Kartel, can defeat an army, them over there so, of lions, cause them a bite and a go on like them bad, led by a sheep. So they know say the leader them for them side and whatever them weak, fly them, insect them, fish, animals. You understand me? Cold-blooded species them can't test a human. But at the end of the day, Vybz Kartel, you're one done, you're the man. I don't know, we're not going to forget him out, you know. As we say, him have to retire. And no matter of fact, him not have no choice in this. We Gaza Nation call it.